In order to enter a patient payment when the note has not been written yet, so it was just a scheduled appointment, but you have not had a chance to write your note yet, when you come to the visits and receipts page, the line for that date should still be in red. That means it's just scheduled, it's not have a note written for that date. And then in order to post a payment, if I would come under actions, you can see I can apply the payment and then click the green plus button and apply the payment for that date. Payment amount, payment type, and you can make a comment. You can also, if you want to make a comment like for a copay or something, you can add that there as well. And then click save, and then it will be applied to their account. So for this one, since no attendance has been indicated, that means it was just scheduled. So therefore, I have not indicated that I saw the patient. So when you do apply a payment for a scheduled visit, initially it is going to turn into a credit for that date of service. But then if I want to indicate that the visit was made under attendance, I would click OK. Now, if this was a self-pay patient, the payment due will get filled in. If this is an insurance patient, once you send out the claims through the software, the payment due will get filled in. So initially, it's going to show up as a balance because the payment due has not been sent out yet. As soon as you send out the claim, the payment due will fill in, and then the balance will be updated and will indicate the patient payment that they had made.